Здравствуйте, меня зовут Злата Карлова, и сегодня в нашей серии лекций о трудностях русского языка для англоговорящих студентов мы поговорим о грамматике. Я расскажу вам о существительных. I will tell you about Russian nouns and their most remarkable features like gender, род, number, число, and case, падеж. Let's start with gender. In Russian, there are three genders: masculine, мужской род, feminine, женский род, and neuter, средний род. It is rather difficult to predict the gender from the meaning of the words, but you can determine the gender from the endings. For example, most of masculine words end in a consonant or и краткое. Город, a city, трамвай, a tram. Feminine words end in a. Комната, a room. Or неделя, я, a week. Words end either in o, кино, окно, window, or е, море, the sea. Some masculine or feminine words can end in soft sign, мягкий знак. For example, декабрь, December, is masculine. Любовь, love, is feminine. These words are better to learn by heart, though there are some rules how to determine the gender of these words, but I will tell about this in the special classes. Now we come up to nouns, which denote people and animals. We can call them одушевленные, or those which have souls. These nouns answer the questions кто, who. There are also nouns which denote things, неодушевленные, which literally means without a soul. These nouns answer the question что, what. This division is important, especially in accusative case, where the nouns have different endings. Compare. Я люблю кого? Whom? Ивана. Or я люблю что? What? Сок. I love juice. В русском языке существительные могут быть единственного, singular, and множественного числа, plural. Most Russian plural nouns, both masculine and feminine, have endings «ы», «и». Столы, tables, трамваи, trams, комнаты, flats, недели, weeks. Neuter words end in «а», «я». Окна, windows. Моря, seas. Unfortunately, many nouns have exceptions from the rules. For example, город, city, города, which ends in «а», or брат, brother, братья. Now some words about cases. It is a real headache for many people learning Russian. In English, we don't have cases. We don't need to change the words according to the case. But in Russian, we have to. It is not enough to know the words. It is extremely important to know how to operate with these words, because in Russian, relations between words are shown by the changes in the word's endings. So the case means this certain ending. В русском языке 6 падежей. In Russian, there are 6 cases. Каждый падеж играет определенную роль в предложении. Each case plays the certain role in the sentence. if we change the role, we change the case and the ending. Now we will be talking about each case in detail. Именительный падеж, nominative case, represent the main subject in the sentence, who or what plays the main role. У нас основной субъект Егор, который любит Машу, а также книга, которая лежит на столе. Genitive case, родительный падеж, represents possession, negation, and direction, where from the main subject goes, flies, or sails. Например, for example, Маша, we are talking about possession, девушка, кого? Егора, а не Глеба или Дмитрия. Masha is Yegor's girlfriend, a girlfriend of Yegor. У Егора есть друг Глеб из Москвы, у которого нет машины. Yegor has a friend Gleb who comes from Moscow and who doesn't have a car. Dative case represents the addressee, to whom the main subject calls, writes, sends SMS, give the presents, and so on. It also represents the indirect object. Our main subject, Егор, позвонил кому? Маше. Егор calls Маша. А его друг Глеб очень обрадовался чему? Новой машине. And his friend Gleb was very happy with what? With his new car. Now we come up to the accusative case, which is used to express the direct object in the sentence and direction. Например, Егор любит кого? Машу. Егор loves Masha. Егор читает что? Книгу. Егор reads a book. In these examples, Masha and the book are the direct objects in the sentence. Accusative case can also represent a time. For example, let's meet on Wednesday. Давай встретимся когда? В среду. Творительный падеж, instrumental, обозначает инструмент, профессию, job, и используется со многими возвратными глаголами. It is also used with reflexive verbs. For example, Егор пишет чем? Ручкой. Егор writes with what? With a pen. Кем работает Егор? What is Егор's job? Егор работает переводчиком, as a translator. He also goes out or meets with whom? With Masha. Егор встречается с кем? С Машей. The last case is the easiest prepositional. Предложный падеж, which represents the object about which our main subject thinks and the place where he lives. Наш Егор, естественно, думает только о Маше. Егор thinks about Masha only. А его друг Глеб живет в Москве. His friend Gleb lives in Moscow. On our main site, havefunwithrussian.ru, you can find a lot of grammar materials. I recommend you to visit grammar sections, the noun rubric, существительное, or play the Russian case roulette flash animation game, also available for absolute beginners. And you will see That devil is not as terrible as he is painted. Не так страшен черт, как его малюют, as we say it in Russian. Вот и все, что я хотела рассказать вам сегодня. That's all I wanted to say for today. Учитесь с удовольствием и have fun with Russian. До свидания.